Hello guys, in today's video, you'll see how natural disasters can destroy an entire city on our planet in just a moment. So let's start. Natural phenomena caught on camera, part 1. In this video, you can clearly see how a massive black tornado and strong winds are wreaking havoc. And salute to the cameraman who recorded this video without worrying about his own life. So if you were to witness a scene like this, would you run away or stand still and enjoy the view like this cameraman? Be sure to tell me in the comments. Now, what you're about to witness is nature's deadly fury. Due to heavy rainfall in a nearby area, the rivers overflowed, and all the water started flowing into this village. You can see how a mud hill turns into a river. Here you'll see two cars driving normally. Suddenly, a bolt of lightning strikes just ahead of one car. This whole incident gets recorded on the phone of a girl sitting in the car behind, and everyone gets shocked. Here, some people are enjoying at the beach. Then the guy recording the video and his friends see a huge wave approaching. They start shouting to warn everyone. But still, some people are unable to escape and disappear into the wave. Luckily, none of them are harmed.
Oh, get out! Oh, she's going. Oh.
In this video, you can clearly see how dangerous the earthquake is. It even cracks the ground open, and a girl gets badly trapped. She tries to escape, but is unable to keep herself steady. This video is from the USA, where a girl records the strong winds outside her house. You can clearly see in the video how intense the storm is. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There will be more such videos in the future, so make sure to subscribe and set the bell icon to all so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching this entire video.